A girl goes to the top of a hill and screams. She can hear her own sound a little bit later. Why does this happen? Now, the same person sits inside a very small, closed room and screams her own name.
Ruby!
Does she hear the same
Ruby!
sound a little later again? No. Why does this happen?
Ruby!
In order to understand this,
Ruby!
we will learn about reflection of sound. Sound bounces off a solid or a liquid, like a rubber ball bounces off a wall. Like light, sound gets reflected at the surface of a solid or liquid and follows the law of reflection. We see that if we clap near a suitable reflecting object such as a tall building, we hear the same sound again a little bit later. This is called echo. Take two chart paper pipes of sufficient length. Keep a clock near the open end of one pipe and try to hear the sound through the other pipe. We can adjust the position of the other pipe to get the maximum sound. We see that the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. So, for an echo to be heard, the time interval between the original sound must be 0.1 second. A girl stands very close to a wall and claps. Echo isn't heard. She moves some distance away and claps. Echo is still not heard. She moves some more distance away and claps. Echo is heard. How is this so? Well, if we take the speed of sound as 344 meters per second, the distance traveled by sound in 0.1 second is 34.4 meters. So, for hearing distinct echoes, the minimum distance of the obstacle from the source of sound must be at a distance of 17.2 meters. Now, suppose a girl stands in a room at a place enclosed by four walls. When she claps, there is a multiple reflection from the walls, roof and floor, due to which the sound created will persist until it is reduced to a value where it is no longer audible. This is reverberation. In an auditorium or a big hall, excessive reverberation is highly undesirable. To reduce reverberation, the roof and walls are covered with sound-absorbing materials. The uses of multiple reflection of sound can be seen in megaphones, horns, trumpets. Extra. When you go to a doctor, the doctor uses a stethoscope to listen to your heartbeat. Can you think how this happens?